Hi, and welcome to the course on Apache Hive with hands-on experience on developing databases, tables, views, functions, operators, partition, bucketing using Ubuntu machine, which allows you to execute your Hive queries. I am going to be your guide as we explore Apache Hive on Ubuntu platform. So what are we going to cover in this course then? In this Apache Hive course, I will introduce you to Apache Hive hands-on experience. In few hours, we will go through every step of Apache Hive that will provide you a wide knowledge of databases, tables, data models, data type, partition and bucketing creation. This is going to be a fully hands-on experience. So roll up your sleeves and prepare to give your best. First and foremost, how does Apache Hive work? Before you learn Apache Hive, you need to know basics of databases. To put it simply, Apache Hive is a data warehouse software project built top of Apache Hadoop for providing data queries and analysis. And as you will see in this Apache Hive tutorial, does it at a breathtaking speed. Mastering Apache Hive can also be a skill highly sought after by employers and headhunters. More and more companies are interested in applying Apache Hive solution for business analytics and customer services. Hence, this practical Apache Hive tutorial can become your first step towards a lucrative career. Learn Apache Hive by creating databases, schemas, tables and functions from A to Z yourself. I am a firm believer that the best way to learn is by doing. In this Apache Hive tutorial, you will learn everything on the way and be able to put into practice straight away. Seeing the way each feature works will help you learn Apache Hive thoroughly by heart. Take this course now and have a much stronger grasp of Apache Hive in just few hours. Well, the course is about implementing Apache Hive. That obvious means we are going to look at Apache Hive. We are going to look how to set up Apache Hive and get started with that. And we will also look at how we can use that Apache Hive to take data coming from databases, process that data using Apache Hive. That's pretty much what we are going to learn about the Apache Hive. But to do that, you are going to get some information from me. I will explain the concept, but you are also going to have to do some work yourself. You are going to build databases, tables, views, hands-on learning. And to do that, you are going to have to set up your environment. So the first thing you are going to need is a Ubuntu Linux desktop machine. We will learn Apache Hive overview, Apache Hive in architecture, installation and configuration, how a Hive query flows through the system, Hive feature, limitations and data models, data type, data definition language and data manipulation language, Hive view, partition and bucketing, built-in functions and operator, joins in Apache Hive, and frequently asked interview question and answers. My goal is to provide you with the practical tools that will be beneficial for you in the future while doing that with a real use opportunity. I am really excited you are here. I hope you are going to follow all the way to the end of course. It is fairly straightforward, fairly easy to follow through the course. I will show you step by step each line of code and explain what it does and why are we doing it. So please, I invite you to follow up to go through all the lectures. Alright, I will see you soon in the course.